Hey everyone, so basically in this video we'll see how you can basically convert your any image to a tar file, okay, so that you can just share that particular image into some different environment. So to show this, first of all, what I will do, I'll basically pull a nginx image, okay. So let's pull this one, and if I will just do docker images here, you will see one image here, right? And if I list, nothing I have at this moment, okay. So to convert this image as a tar file, you need to enter this command docker save hyphen o. You can give nginx.tar, and then you can basically give the either image name or you can just give the image id, okay. So here if I do this one, so if I do list now, so you can see nginx star I have, okay. So now suppose you have to basically use that image somewhere, so for that you need to use some different command. So what in that moment you can use, you can simply use docker load hyphen I and then image.tar, okay. But to show this, what I will do, first I will just basically remove this particular image so that I can show you. So now I will just do docker images again just to make sure nothing is there. Yeah, so you can see no images is showing here, right? So you can just do docker load hyphen I and nginx.tar. So if you do this particular command, it will basically load your image into your system, okay. So if I just do docker images again, so you can see this image. So in this way, you can use the docker save and docker load command to basically move your images to as a tar format in different environment, and you can use docker load to load those particular images, okay. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. And if you are learning docker, so you can just go through this playlist. So I have covered a lot of things here, you can just go through it and yeah, learn. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.